All right, so that's everything we got for meat. We got some bacon for our breakfast for dinner. We got 18 eggs, got ground turkey, got chicken breasts, got a loaf of organic white bread, 2 bags of mini bagels. If anyone knows where to get organic bagels, let me know, because they're hard to find, especially the mini bagels. We've got some ground beef for taco night. We've got 2 strawberries, a sauce and pasta for one night, chocolate milk, 1% milk, 2 crowns of broccoli, carrots, a bag of green beans, a bag of frozen green beans and green peas. These were 2 for $1, so I grabbed them. Usually I typically buy the organic ones, but for $1, can't go wrong. Bunch of bananas. We got some rice to go with one of our meals. We got a big thing of baby spinach, string cheese, ham and cheese for the week, our yogurt that we always buy, 2 Kind bars, and got this cereal to try. The kids have been wanting Cinnamon Toast Crunch and I refused to buy it for them. So we're trying different natural, healthier cereals. So we'll try this one out and see how it is. So this is our meal plan. Sunday we're going to have pasta with meatballs and salad. We're going to use the spinach. I have a little leftover cucumber from last week. Monday we're going to do breakfast for dinner. Tuesday we're going to do tacos. Wednesday, roasted chicken with potatoes, broccoli, and carrots. Thursday we'll have any leftovers. Friday we'll have pork chops with apples, rice, and whatever veggies we have left over. And Saturday we're going to do turkey taco bowls. This was everything that I bought and needed. Some of the things I actually bought, as you saw already, some different things. Meatballs were on my list, but I didn't buy them because I'm going to go to BJ's tomorrow and get a bunch of baking things. So I'm going to get them there because it would be a better price. And then I just always make a list of things that I want to make, and then breakfast and lunch options as well. And I spent $69.46. I went to Star Market, so I had points that I haven't used all month pretty much. So I saved them up for the end of the month, and I've done, you get like a certain amount off. So I had, I think, 11 points to use up. So I did $10 off and $4 off. So that brought me total down to $69.46. So now I have an additional $30 to spend tomorrow at BJ's. Everything we got at BJ's. We got some of these Buddy's fruits. They're just usually different kinds of fruits blended up, like mixed with applesauce. Pirate's Booty for lunches. Annie's fruit snacks, which they have already opened. Some Italian seasoning. Some chocolate milk. A strawberry banana smoothie. And my kids love, and my husband actually love, these mini cornbreads. And we got stocked up on a ton of baking stuff. We got 2 big Hershey syrups, confectionery sugar, brown sugar, cane sugar, and flour. And also a huge bag of chocolate chips, 2 dozen eggs, some yogurts for the kids also, which have already been broken into, a pack of, yeah, hold on one sec, babe, and then a bag of meatballs, and then a big thing of vegetable oil and a loaf of white bread, because this had a coupon, and we spent $1.25.